Good morning, class. As we have completed chapter number first in course book, now we have to start chapter number 2 after completing syllabus of reader book and language book. In reader book, we have completed 2 chapter. One chapter was poem and second chapter was a story. And then we have completed 6 chapter in course in language book. Now we have to start chapter number 2 of course book. So the name of the chapter is So You Think You Can Divide. So You Think You Can Divide. Okay. So this is very interesting story, class. This is a story of 3 brothers and their camels. Now, there was once an old man who had 3 sons and 17 camels. And the sons were called Rooplal, Nathu and Lalji. And we are not worried in this story about that the camel were called. Means name of camels were not given. The name of first means there was a man, an old man, okay, who had 3 sons, and the name of first son was Rooplal, second was Nathu, and the third Lalji. Now we will read about them. The father was getting very old, and one day he called his son together and said, "Boys, I am old, and one of these days I will die. When I am gone, please promise me that you won't quarrel over my camel." Means his father told them, their father told them that I am going to die one day because I am getting very old and I am ill, but promise me you all that you will not quarrel over my camel. मीन्स मेरे कैमल के लिए तुम लोग आपस में लड़ाई झगड़ा नहीं करोगे. The 3 sons looked gloomy. Gloomy means sad. They did not want their father to die, but they were eager to hear what he had to say. Means they were very excited what his father was going to say. "I want you to divide the camels in this way," continued the old man. "Rooplal, you are my first son and the oldest. You must have half the camel." Means Rooplal was saying to his first son Rooplal that you are my first son and oldest, means सबसे बड़े हो. You must have half the camels. means जितने भी कैमल हैं 17 कैमल है, उसका हाफ किसको मिलेगा? रूपलाल को. Rooplal looked pleased. Pleased means very happy. "Thanks you, father. Thank you, father," he said. Rooplal said, "Thank you, father." Now, means there is a old man and 3 sons, and they have 17 camel, and the father had decided to divide their camel in between these 3 sons. "Nathu," said the old man, "you are the second boy and you must take a third of camel." Means तुम second boy हो, second number, तो तुम कितना लोगे? थर्ड पार्ट लोगे पूरे 17 camel का. Then he turned to the youngest boy and said, "Lalji, you will get 9th." Means 9th part of these 17 camels. Means सबसे कम किसको मिलेगा? छोटे वाले बेटे को, लालजी को. The younger boy were a little disappointed, but they did not complain. They promised not to quarrel, but do exactly as their father had commanded. Means उन्होंने promise किया. They promised to his father, their father, that they not quarrel because of this dividation, because of this camel. A few days later, sadly and very suddenly, the father died. The boy arranged the funeral. Means वो जो होते हैं हम लोग जो करते हैं ना, कोई किसी के एक्सपायर हो जाता है, किसी की डेथ हो जाती है, जो हम लोग करते हैं उसे funeral कहते हैं. ठीक है. And when that was over, they got down to the business of sharing out the camel. तो अब सारे जब काम हो जाते हैं तो वो आपस में कैमल को डिवाइड करते हैं। दे डिसाइडेड टू डिवाइड कैमल्स, जो उनको शेयर मिले थे हाफ हाफ अकॉर्डिंग टू उसके जो फादर थे वो। Rupal, the eldest boy, said, "Father wanted me to have half and camels, but half of 17 is 8.5. How can I take half a camel? The best idea would be for me to take 9 camel and you two sons share the rest." मिस रूपलाल बोलते हैं कि जो 17 कैमल है उसका हाफ अगर करते हैं तो क्या होगा 8.5 कैमल, बट हाउ कैन वी डिवाइड अ कैमल इनटू 2 पीस? इट इज़ पॉसिबल, इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल। क्या होगा अगर किसी कैमल को डिवाइड करेंगे 2 पार्ट में तो वो क्या हो जाएगा, वो मर जाएगा। तो बोलता है कि ठीक है मैं पूरा 9 कैमल ले लेता हूँ और बाकी जो कैमल बचे उसमें तुम लोग उसको शेयर कर लेना। The other 2 brothers looked stunned. They shook their heads from side to side to show they did not agree with their brother's idea. You rogue, said Nathu.